everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Olympic Games 2024. The 2024 Summer Olympics will be held in Paris, France. The Games will start on July 26th and end on August 11, 2024. This is the third time Paris is hosting the Olympics. The motto for the 2024 Olympics is Games Wide Open. Breakdancing will be a new sport in the Olympics. The opening ceremony will be along the Seine River. Over 10,000 athletes from around the world will compete. There will be 329 events in 32 different sports. The Olympics will cost around 9 billion euros to host. The 2024 Olympics mark 100 years since Paris last hosted in 1924. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.